National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, central Davis County in northern Utah, until 10:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Salt Lake, or near Bountiful, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 10:15 p.m., a wind gust of 58 miles per hour was reported at the Salt Lake International Airport. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, Layton, Bountiful, Farmington, Kaysville, Syracuse, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Woods Cross, West Bountiful, Salt Lake City International Airport, True Heights, East Layton and Antelope Island State Park. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 310 and 320, and between mile markers 324 and 332. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah, Davis, and Salt Lake.